I've always said this. To make a lot of money in crypto, you don't have to be necessarily intelligent. You don't have to be very smart. I've made a lot of money in crypto, and I don't consider myself to be any more intelligent than most people, right? I'm smarter than some people. I'm a lot less smart than some people, right? And I think that potentially Solana, is Solana Maxi even a thing? Are there people that are Solana maximalists? If there are, Solana maximalists potentially exemplify this. Now, with that being said, I hold Solana. I'm absolutely not a Solana maximist. Are you kidding me? You know, I said I was smarter than some people. Therefore, I can't be a Solana maximalist. And not as smart as some people. However, I do. I think I've been holding it. I think I put about 5 figures maybe 8 months ago or something. I did it right when the price started to get people's attention, and now it's a 6-figure investment. The Solana investment that I have it. I definitely hold it, and I will benefit when it goes up. So I have no interest in losing money. So the more Solana goes up, the more money that I make with it. And I like that. I like when the things that I put money into go up. So I don't want it to go down. Now, with that being said, well, here's the thing. So I want to make as much profit I can with Solana and then kind of rotate that into Bitcoin. I absolutely have no interest in keeping investments in Solana for a very long time. Absolutely not. It's not necessarily my plan here. But Solana right now, and I'm looking at this, is number 5 in market cap. It goes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, which, whether you want to count that or not, BNB, and then number 5 is Solana, with a $41 billion market cap. Can you believe this? $41 billion. Right now, at the time of recording this, Solana is about $96. And now you might be asking yourself, you know, Solana went down again today. The network went down again for, I don't know, the dozenth time. I don't know how many times it's been down, but it's absolutely been a decent amount of times the network goes down. You might be asking, you know, is Solana about to initiate a big dump because the network went down? You know, say, for example, say the Bitcoin network went down. Do you think that the price of Bitcoin would drop if, let's say, the network went down? Do you think people would start panicking and selling? Yes, absolutely. 1,000,000 times yes. If the Bitcoin network went down, that would be massive. If Ethereum, I mean, Cardano has not gone down, right? So Solana, the network went down. Is Solana going to dump now? Can we expect a dump tomorrow, the next day? Is this going to have longer term impact on Solana? And my opinion is absolutely not. For some reason, it'll probably pump more now. Which is crazy, isn't it? Like, I was thinking about this earlier, but like in my head, I was like creating my own meme in my head that like a Solana holder waking up and seeing that the network went down and them getting excited and saying, you know, this is bullish, because it's almost like opposite day with Solana holders. It's crazy. It's crazy to me. I don't understand it. Is there anything to understand, really? So with that being said, one thing to take away from this quick little video is that, will the price of Solana dump now because the network went down again, and maybe confidence will leave the space and people aren't going to be as bullish on it? I don't think so. I think if anything, for some reason, this will make people more bullish, and it will make people want to buy it even more. Okay. As I said, you know, you don't have to be smart to make money in crypto. And I think that type of thinking is the perfect example of not being smart. As I said, I have a 6-figure now. It was 5-figure, but a 6-figure investment in Solana. And I'm prepared to, you know, I'm not in a hurry to sell it. I think it probably does have more pump, like probably throughout this bull market that I think is coming very, very soon over the next 12 months. I think there's probably a lot of money to be made in it. So if you're, I mean, I guess there's 2 types of people that are watching this video. People that hold Solana, which they'll get very upset if I say anything negative about it, right, as any bag holder does. And then people that hate Solana and think like, hey, it's a piece of trash, which, you know, would that be wrong if somebody said that? I don't know. But with that being said, I don't really think that the price is going to dump because of this. I think that the network is going to go down probably many more times, as it has already. This is not the first time the network has gone down. It probably won't be the last. And again, before anyone accuses me of trying to spread FUD or whatever, first of all, if your network goes down, then you're already creating the FUD, right? Anything I say doesn't matter. Your effing network went down. That's more important than what anyone gets on YouTube and makes a video about, okay? Like I said a couple minutes ago, imagine if that happened to Bitcoin. People would lose their bananas. But with that being said, hey, I hope Solana keeps going up, right? As I just said, I'm invested in it. Does it mean I believe in Solana? Absolutely not. So I guess maybe leave your comment below about what your opinion is. And if you are, honestly, this is a question I'm interested in hearing a response to. If you are a Solana maxi, if that is a thing, which I kind of want to hear about that as well, because it does have fast transactions and stuff, but I mean, you can have fast transactions if you have a network that's centralized and can be taken down whenever, right? You can make the fastest crypto on the planet if you don't have decentralization. So I'm not sure how that's like a positive. But yeah, if you are a Solana maxi, maybe convince me why Solana is better than Cardano, for example, or Ethereum, Avalanche. Is Solana better than Avalanche, Cardano, Ethereum? My opinion is no. Not even no. I mean, I could say it a million times, no, it's not better than any of them. But if you think it is, try to convince me. And maybe try to convince the people reading the comments as well. Big.